Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that YOM token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, YOM is a decentralized physical infrastructure network DeepIn that provides low latency and cloud gaming by harnessing a global network of distributed GPU nodes, solves core cloud gaming issues by shifting compute from centralized data centers to local devices, targeting under 12 ms lag, powered by a utility token that facilitates network settlement, rewards node operators, and incorporates a deflationary burn mechanism, enable instant play on any device via a browser, removing the need for downloads or expensive gaming hardware. YOM token total supply is 750 million and circulating supply is around 134.61 million YOM token. YOM token is listed on KuCoin, MEXC, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.